In this video, I will be showing you how to install Kiro AI IDE in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for Kiro AI. Here we'll be having the download Kiro from kiro.dev. Just select it. And if you scroll down, here we are having two things. One is Kiro CLI. If you want, you can get that by just running this command, or else you can just download the IDE for Windows. I will just select this. It is also available for Mac as well as Linux. It is around 200 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the Kiro setup. Just read the license agreement and click on I accept. After that, select next. This is going to be the default location where it's going to get installed. If you want to change it, click on browse and change it. I will select next. This is fine. Next. And if you want to create a desktop icon, you can do that. If you want to also add the action, make sure that you are checking these. I'm fine with this. I will select next. These are the stuff that's going to happen. Just select install. By the way, this is their pricing plan. They have a Kiro free plan, Kiro Pro plan that costs $20, and Kiro Pro Plus plan that costs $40, and Kiro Power plan that costs $200. So you can just go through it. The more the money you pay, the more credits that you're going to get. Once it is done, just check this launch Kiro and click on finish. We will be getting Kiro and AI agentic IDE like this. Just select sign in. It will redirect you to the browser and make sure that you are creating an account or signing in. After that, we'll be getting import configuration. We can import our existing configuration from our existing IDEs. If you don't have, you can just click on next, and the theme, light theme or dark theme, up to you. Click on continue, and that's it. Click on done. We'll be getting the Kiro interface like this. Here we are having the chat. We can simply open a project or create a new project. Just select this. Here we are having the chat. You can simply ask it to create anything. Here we are having the models also, and you can even go to settings and add some MCP or add models and do your work over here. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. And a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.